The Pinter. Okay. Surgical precision. But I didn't read the instructions. Similar experience. As discussed. Okay, now the easy bit. Ooh, nice experience. Oh, very nice. Welcome to a new world of fresh beer. And there it is. The Pinter. The birthing. Looking good. So I would say it's a very Apple gadget-like experience so far, much like the website. We have a solidly made-looking device. It's about the size of one of the mini kegs you might get from your local brewery. Nice handle on there. Inside the pack we have the actual brew kit, 10 pint eco crate. I'll open those in a minute. And then the business end, which is designed to be the unit that goes on the underside of the keg during the actual brewing and hopping processes. But this device itself is where the beer actually comes together. So what is the Eco Crate, the Pinter Pack Eco Crate? Well, have a little look. Sealed for freshness. A few extra. So presumably when you order, these just come through the letterbox. So here we have everything you need to make the beer itself. We've got the Pinter Purifier, by all accounts the most important bottle. This sterilises the entire unit between uses. You've got all of the fresh brewing yeast that you'll need, very specifically brewing yeast, and then the actual container with the syrup and the flavour for the Hoppy American Dream Pale Ale. 4 days brewing, 3 days conditioning, and we get 10 pints out of that. 10 pints, but because there's no alcohol in any of this kit, it can be sold without any licensing issues or duty to the government, which is why it's only about £1 a pint. Slightly differently wrapped, this one. Same again, this is the Lockwood Pilsner, and interestingly the brewing yeast is specific to the Pilsner, so different yeasts to go with the kit. All made with your local tap water.